Tanma Africa mahle, bodan bantu bomgquba, igama lami ndinguSilindile wakwaLufele. Welcome to Unscramble Life with Slee. Cela ningalibali apho emakhaya ukuba ni subscribe, ni share, ni like and nifuna ubulele support yenu ningalibali ke ningadinwa nangomso nenze na kanjalo kwabanye. Namhlanje ke nandiphethe iChamp, but the champ is here. Ubhuti kudala ndizama ukumkhangela, but he's a very busy person and I appreciate that today he decided to squeeze me in his schedule. Mr. Champ.
Yes, my sister.
Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila unjani?
Ngiyaphila nami. Uyi-champ. Ngicela utshela abantu ukuthi why uyi-champ.
Okay, sanibonani, dumelang everybody. Ukhulumayo yabuka nke champion. They call me champion because that's my stage name, and yeah, I'm a musician. I'm a creative. Yes.
Siyabonga. Ngiyamazi ke mina lo bhuti ngikhula naye. But mina bengimazi ngoCharles. So for a longest time I've been looking for uCharles kuma socials. And luckily this other day I saw your post. I said, this is the guy I've been looking for, but I don't know the name uChamp. So who is uCharles? Before uChamp.
Before Champ.
Yes.
Yeah, ne? Okay, Charles is a guy who Puma Swaneville. I grew up in Swaneville. I've been living there like since forever.
Yeah.
Ngibeke lapho, khulele lapho, ngifunde khona isikolo, primary, but obviously high school. We didn't have a high school, so we went to Ekahi. So by the time I high school, I was already studying Ekahi. So yeah. Very passionate in music, in pelo, yeah.
So now, as out, njengobusho ukuthi uyi out eyasekas. You've been ekas. What makes you to feel the like what's the rawness kuwe that says ukuthi uCharles noma ngayapi we out yasekas noma angaba kuphi emhlabeni, but there will be always that thing about him ethi we out yasekas.
Okay, the authenticity. Okay. I guess it has to do with the street cred, how we dress, the way kulma corner, and how we treat each other in the township. You know, there's always that thing a corner between us, abantu basekazi ukuthi streetana kanjani, how we get along with each other, whether umakhelwane or umuntu ohlala estradini sami or you are someone ophuma in a different block but we finish Swaneville, how we treat each other and embrace each other, and how we step up for each other, like in times of need, whenever kuvela isifo, whenever kunama celebration, whichever event they may be. That's how we live thina njengabantu basekazi and phecelezi njengama-African.
I like that. But nento esho ukuthi noma kunama party maniqedile kwani naniphinde nishaye ingoma ezukuthi wajive ngathi umenyiwe.
Yeah.
You know, it's so confusing because now we have this thing of we believe in supporting each other, and sometimes akufanelanga usibize sibona ithende thina siyazwakala yabo bese nisisihlalela ingoma zoba wajive ngathi umenyiwe. Do you think how we grew up and how things are now ukhona umehluko?
Yeah, there is. Growing up, like back then, I would put it that way. Sakhula uyazi now, like bongadinga ukuthi invite number one. You would rush to your neighbor's house or at the next street whenever uzwa bathi kunento enzakele. You'd rush there to assist or to help. But now it's a different case. Umuntu angavelela whatever, and people just stay in their lane like angezingeni. But back then besiphilisana bongakuye kumntana omaziyo avelelwa yinto wrong bese awumsizo kadinga usizo lwakho. So things used to be different, and ubuntu was bobukhona. Yeah. Yeah, right now we are losing it because asenandaba na each other. Like I don't know, I know people normally say people live for content, but it is not about living for a content. Content will always be there because right now we're living in the age media, but now at the end of the day we need to be kind and loving and caring towards each other. That's what we are lacking right now, because right now ngathi umunye nomunye seke uziphilela yena, yes, uzibheke yena. If ever into akhona there's nothing to do naye or engavelelanga yena, we careless. So we are slightly but surely losing it, but it can still be fixed in a way.
How so though?
Yes.
How so? Because even now, I like what you said, because you're just reminding me ngalezo nsuku lezo zokuthi mawungenampuphu yakhona uyocela kumakhelwane. And now it's something that can become a mockery. And then how do we take that and be like, asibeni ngabantu, thina singabantu? As you say, it can't be fixed. What do you think that we should do?
Okay, we are trying by all means to adopt a culture angasawethu. That's the first mistake. Njengoba ngishilo, like we as Africans siyaphikisana, siphila sonke.
Yeah.
I cannot be at peace knowing ukuthi umntana se next door ulala ngadlile kubo baya struggle, whereas ekhaya we can afford ukubashirela impuphu. So but sesiphila, you know, the life le normally would say life yasemasaba whereby if ungenashukela uye next door, yes, awunayo. So we are adopting that life emalokishini. So inkinga iqala lapho, and not realizing ukuthi lapha yaselokishini asilingani, like even in terms of uku-afford izinto and the lifestyle, we are not on the same. Kunabantu abaswelayo, then there are people who can afford. So we need ukuthi sibuyeleni back to basics and understand ukuthi ukusiza omunye umuntu, it doesn't necessarily mean ukuthi that person uyakuyuza or uyakolota akakoloti, but uyamsiza because you don't know kuzenzakalani in the years to come. You might find ukuthi umntanakho will be in need, and umntana waloyo umuntu will step up and assist because of uke watshela ukuthi hayi usibanibani ifamily yakubo yiyo beyiwa ivuka nathi during the time of need. So into enjalo.
I like what you said. Ngangihleli nomlungisi Godlo Ndamas. He said exactly that you might help someone today, ingabuyeli kuwe, but ingane yakho iyona ezosizakala because of what you did. Exactly. You know. And now, while we're still talking about that, let's talk about the family structure at home growing up. How was it? How was the whole setup, Ekhaya?
It was nice. I would say it was nice. We didn't have much, to be honest. We didn't have much, but there was a lot of love. Bokunothando luningi ekhaya. I grew up in a warm family because uthando nobuhombe befamily bukhava everything. Bufila wonke ama-void ukuthi niyaswela namali anani. So yeah, it was okay. I grew up, I was raised by uma. Ngikhule nabantwana abasekhaya, abobhuti bami nabosisi bami. So yeah, it was good. I won't say ikhona into ebengiyidinga, okay, other than that ukuthi financially vele we were not good, but the fact ukuthi it was a warm home, uma beke sinakekela sithanda, and nabobhuti bami nabosisi bami we got along very well. So that's what mattered the most.
Yes,
and that's what kept us going.